I sit here day after day, watching as time passes me by, the seconds turning into minutes, and the minutes turning into hours, just waiting my time, because I know one day my time will come. And welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be shooting this bad boy, the Snapshot film camera. It's been patiently waiting on the shelf for months, if not years, and today it is time for this bad boy to finally shine. The film stock I've selected today is nothing but the bee's knees, nothing but the absolute very best for this absolute banger of a camera, Kodak Ultramax 400. The reason why I've chosen a 400 speed stock is because 400 speed is a very common speed for disposable film cameras, and I guess at the end of the day, the Snapshot is basically a disposable film camera that's reusable, but it doesn't have a flash and it doesn't actually require batteries. Anyway, we'll go through the specs right now. Apart from the Snapshot camera's sexy yellow design, it also features a focus-free 28mm lens, a frame counter, a beautiful bright viewfinder, a shutter button, and it's fully mechanical. Alright, let's load her up, make like a baby, and head out. Sweet, and we're ready to go. Alright, I think I'm ready to take my first image. The light is quite nice, quite soft. It's about 4:05, and let's give it a whirl. I'm thinking for my composition, I want a few of these rocks and stuff in the foreground, looking out to the harbour. I'm going to get down nice and low for this one. Not sure if that shot will work, if it's going to be the first of the roll, and it'll be exposed anyway because of when I was putting my film in, so I'll just take another one just in case. Oh, now it's saying frame 1. One more, just in case. Just first use of this, it doesn't really feel as though I've got any control of the shutter speed settings. So, and just a little comparison, this with my other lens, I think the size of the hole gives me the equivalent f-stop to about f16. So I think having the 400 speed film is going to be essential to being able to see anything at all, really. Alright, so the light's getting a little bit low, so I might wait till tomorrow to take the rest of my shots. I think I'm pretty happy probably with the kind of results I've gotten today, I reckon. I just did a little light meter check because obviously this has got no controls on it whatsoever, but just having a look at the size of the hole, I think it's about the equivalent to like an f-stop of f16, and I think it would probably shoot at like 1/60th, 1/25th of a second. So just based on that, I think these photos so far should actually come out well exposed, fingers crossed, but might have to see what we can do to recover them. If not, back again, it's another day, and time for some more photos. It's the middle of the day, but we'll just have to give it a whirl. I think the middle of the day and like a bit sunnier conditions are actually better for this camera since I can't change any of the settings. I think this could be a cool frame, so I'll just grab it. Hopefully that's a good one. Yeah, I think the light's a bit softer here, probably be a bit better. I sort of like how these kayaks have just been left here but locked up. It's a cool sort of vacant composition. Oh, hello. I think I might have a cool composition up here with the I don't even know what it is. Oh, they've got construction barge on the water there. Cool, I hope that was a good one. We're down to 6 more shots, so I think there's plenty more stuff to take photos of around here, and let's just keep moving on. And that's the last shot on the roll. So yeah, I hope they're all good. I reckon there's some bangers in there, considering much of an option with any of the settings. So yeah, I hope it's quite good. My final thoughts on this camera is that it's great. It really reminded me that the image you choose to capture is far more important than what kind of gear you use. And I find us photographers, we can often get caught up in gear acquisition syndrome where we're looking for the next best camera or a different lens, all these sorts of things. But at the end of the day, your eye and your photographic vision is far more important, and those choices that you make and how you choose your composition and your framing make up an image and the essence of what you're trying to capture far more than the settings or the camera or the film stock you choose to use. And that's what this Snapshot camera reminded me. And I think in future, if I were to get in a rut or something with my photography and I'm struggling to create, I think it's a great camera where you can just get it and you're just worrying about what you're capturing again, and you don't get caught up in the settings and the lenses and all those things that come with better cameras. Thanks for watching and have a good day.